everyone, so this is our quick tour and review of cabin 6216 on Royal Caribbean's Independence of the Seas in June 2025. So I'm currently stood against the front door. On your left you have your wardrobe, which is quite spacious, not bad. Proper hangers, not the headless ones. You've got your safe, loads and loads of shelf space. You've got these extra hangers that hold down for trousers and things, I guess. And your life jackets are there. Then to the right hand side we have got the air conditioning unit, which has got a normal little pen line for where the cold is. And then got the main bathroom here. Actually not a bad size. It's nice, plenty of room for fatties. And the shower is actually really spacious, even though it doesn't look it. I suddenly discovered this morning this is a little cupboard, so there's a little handy more storage space in here because there's not an awful lot. You get face cloths as standard. And coming into the main body of the room, nice dressing area, workstation area here. Now in this cabin there is no UK socket. We've seen other vlogs where there was, so we didn't bring an adapter, and yeah, this one doesn't have it. So whether they've not all been updated, I don't know. But yeah, just keep that in mind. Bring one just in case. Loads and loads of storage space again. There is a fridge in here. Telly is quite a nice size and it swivels, so you can watch it from the bed or the sofa. Quite a big sofa area. The bed is comfy enough, not as comfy as some, but we slept okay. Quite like the rounded edges. And then there's a balcony. We've got quite a big space. Hello.
Hello.
Quite a big space on the balcony. So yeah. That is your 6216 on Independence of the Seas. Bye bye.